Hi, if you're looking for a beautiful and high-quality rug to complement your outdoor setting, then look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you why you need one of these in your space and demonstrate just how easy it is to care for one of our high-endurance outdoor-indoor area rugs. Tolerant to all kinds of weather elements like rain, sleet, and snow, they will stay looking great all year long. And bonus points for a kid and pet-friendly rug that can also be enjoyed indoors. Our outdoor rugs can be used inside, in a mudroom, hallway, family room, kids' room, basement, or anywhere you're looking for an appealing and durable solution. They are power loomed of 100% polypropylene, naturally stain resistant, and are easy to clean. As with any rug, vacuuming will help remove debris, while spot cleaning will remove most mild stains. If your rug is really dirty, hosing it down outside is another easy cleaning option. Use a mixture of mild detergent and water to spray the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with clean water. Allow the rug to dry thoroughly to prevent mold and mildew. Do not bleach, as this will cause the fibers to fade. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.